What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Alchemy Pay Token on Coinbase. So for the first step you need a Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account, click on the link in the description and sign up with some extra benefits towards your account. Once you have created an account, just log into your account on coinbase.com and then you'll arrive at this homepage. For the first step, we need to go to the search bar, and there are we going to type in Alchemy. And now you see the Alchemy Pay Token. We click on that, and as you can see, you'll arrive at this screen. So now you need to decide how much you want to spend on this coin. Let's say we want to spend 1000 euros. Then you type in here 1000 euros. Now you'll see you will get 31,000 coins with this amount of money. For the second step, you can select your payment method. Your payment method is selected over here, and you can choose the payment method you like to use. After that, you can go back, and now you can review your order. Click on that button, you'll arrive at the screen, and now I will give you a very useful tip to save a lot of money when buying crypto on Coinbase. If you buy crypto on regular base on Coinbase, then you can use the Coinbase One subscription. You can use it for 7 days trial, so you can use it for free. And basically every time you buy coins on Coinbase, you will pay a transaction fee. And this can be varying till hundreds or thousands of euros, depending on the amount you are spending on the coins. For now, we are paying 38 euros on transaction fee. But if you use the Coinbase One subscription, you get a discount of 38 euros. And if we go back to the amount we are spending and we type in 38 euros, you can see we will get 1100, almost 1200 free coins additional to the amount we are purchasing. So we fill in back 1000 euros and now we review our order. Once you have done that and you have subscribed to the Coinbase One subscription, then you can buy them now, and they will automatically be added to your assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers!